I'd always wanted to come to this part of the world, and it has not disappointed me one bit.
I love to see the world through the eyes of someone who's lived here.
The beauty of some of the architecture and the beauty of a lot of the nature has just been that sort of, wow, this is where I am. The backdrops that you're looking out on, or someone working their paddy fields with the mountains in the background, I think it's sort of something that I'll take away with me. I sort of fall in love with Vietnam. I came here expecting a holiday, and it's turned out to be more like an adventure.
Whether you're a foodie or a history buff, this is a great place to visit.
The feelings that I felt, it's almost lit a fire of hunger for travelling. The entire trip has absolutely blown my mind.
I'd recommend Vietnam in a heartbeat.
Just enjoy everything you can while you're doing it.